it sits right now. Before I stacked the stock block on top of the, or on the bottom of the lift block, like technically you're supposed to do, to give it the factory rake towards the front. That's what you're supposed to do, but most people just put the stock block. I mean, obviously it's still not gonna sit level because my front is cranked up a little bit, and it's, you know, it's supposed to be a 7. It's probably at like 9 or so, whatever. Probably like let's say 44 to the ground. We'll say 49, 44, 49. I got 5 inches of difference. That's how much my keys are cranked up. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna go up anymore. If I do go up anymore, I'm gonna have to notch this right here, cut it out because it's really close to rubbing on the shock as it is. Hold up. Hold up. Hold the phone. Oh shit, my bad, player. No, huh? Totals one truck, gets another. That's just how that's just how he rolls. So, quick story time.
Yeah, so found it, and was messaging the dude, went look at it, and then he gave me a price that we agreed on, and then I was going to meet him the next day, and on the way to come meet up with me, he had a little fender bender. So we got a little bit of the price knocked off, so that was good.
So what, new hood, grill bumper?
Yeah, and then I already ordered a grill and headlights just because, anyway.
Loaded, sunroof, leather, 6.2, 2-wheel drive, so you don't have to worry about that all-wheel drive bullshit like I had to do. So that's good. So what's the plans?
I don't know yet.
I like this shit.
Might lift it, might not. Guess we just gotta find out.
I got some new U-bolts to put so I can put my stock blocks on top of my lift block. And I'm fixing to get a new setup. Trading these 2s and 7s for some 6s and 7s. I had a little cash on top, and I figured I'd go get me some more 6s and 7s, and I'll probably just flip them after a little bit. 6s and 7s, for them 2s and 7s. This shit look good. It still looks good. My shit about to look better. Huh. 6s and 7s, no curves, cracks, bends, wells, nothing. Pretty good tread. Had about the same tread as my 2s had, but I like it. So today is the day I won't be gay no more. Ordered some longer U-bolts from U-Bolts Direct. They're 17 3/8 long, 2.5 width, which is what the factory ones are. I got my parking brake on. I'm gonna put a block in front and behind both the tires so the axle doesn't move at all. I'll just jack it straight up, slip the block, slip the U-bolts, call it a day. That's the new wave right here. Gotta do something different these days. So I got the blocks in, the small side to the front, obviously. Got the stock block on the bottom. Looks dumb as fuck, but still, shock's got set her a little bit, but it's still a little squatted. It's not as bad, but I like it. I'm gonna see. I could always take it out, so. So this is how she sits. Not too bad. I like it. Probably about 2 inches or so of squat. Just enough. When I pull the trailer and shit, it won't be too bad. But like I said, I will be putting the bags back eventually, so I should be able to go up and down about 4 inches, because that's about how much them bags go up and down. So the slime made a good little point, is to put them Gladiators on my wides and put the Road 1s on the split 6s, which I didn't really think about that. I might, depends. I'm looking to trade the 14 wides for some other wides right now, so it just depends on how everything goes, or if I'll sell these real quick. Because if I do anything with these, it'll be I'll sell them and make some money off of them, or trade them for other 6s and 7s and then sell them 6s and 7s. So just to make some money, profit a little bit, because I don't have that much money in them. So Bun said he's letting that shit toot up for scraping off.
Oh, I'm gonna drop that ass.
What you got in the back? Right now.
4-inch. Had a 6, but I was leaning to the front.
Chop. Your keys crank? Yeah, we crank your keys all the way up. I forgot about that. Not too bad with the angles, better than mine. I wish my angles looked like that. My angles is way bad, way worse.
Yeah, say my brother didn't ride with me for shots. Yeah, them swing like some 6, baby. Them thing pop like 4-5. Them twin hugs don't put up, baby. Don't take no fire. Yeah, them twin hugs loaded up, aim it at your rose up. Spit high, loaded up, aim it at your window.
Rip. Rip the blue truck. 30s on this hoe. Stuff them. Stack 2 levels. Be alright.
You asshole.
Bruh, look, I gotta do it to everybody.
Had to go get the little goodies from the old truck. Rip.
Oh, yeah? What you got in there?
Wheel lights, spacers, spike gloves. Only thing I got left to the blue one.
But I think you should do chrome trim,
Chrome bumper,
Escalade mirrors.
SVD mirrors. I kind of want to put the chrome bumper instead of color match just to switch it up since I got to replace it anyway, and then put a chrome 2014 to where it's not chrome and color match, to where it'll be chrome and chrome. I've seen one dude do it. I haven't really looked at it.
Take this little thing off.
That's why I'm here.
Mine. I don't know why mine didn't have that. But.
Prices are too high to be paying for gas.
Grass would be clean, but I already had G13s. Still looks good though. Zoom into that for the top. Nah, he showed you up. He showed you up. What's up with it?
Hey, tell Lance, bring that bike back real quick.
My man did it in the rocks. Little slimes, huh?
Little slimes. Walk to 400. Bro, let's on the fucking unit. First time when I fucking race the bike.
boy bought it.
That boy belong in Florida.
You almost fucked up.
That's doing clip.
Damn, that slime broke the chain.
What the
It's
hell?
fucked. Well, you'd never find that motherfucker. Not on the grass. What they did to you, son?
You broke my chain.
That's dick.